Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a Thursday afternoon update on the threat of heavy rain across the ArkLaTex. Also, a little bit of severe weather, a possibility. This is what we're seeing right now, 2 o'clock this afternoon. You can see this cluster of storms that has moved into deep East Texas. This activity, the brunt of this, is probably going to begin to move more towards the east and southeast. So we'll have to watch the southern edge of the area here for the next several hours. The heavier rains here moving into northeast Texas likely will not pose much of a severe weather threat, and it appears as if the heaviest rain more than likely will stay to the south of the ArkLaTex. Here's the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Everything has been pushed to the south. You can see the slight risk area now only includes the extreme southern edge of the region, and as I zoom this out, you can see that the risk is much higher over southeast Texas and southwest Louisiana later this afternoon and this evening. Very latest model information. This is the HRRR, which paints a rather optimistic picture for our area. You can see the rain increasing in coverage as we go through the latter stages of the afternoon. It doesn't really show a whole lot as far as intensity, as the stronger storms, it appears, may track in that enhanced risk area over southeast Texas and southwest Louisiana. Here we will see the rain begin to taper off as we move into the latter stages of the evening, and then that rain likely will continue to decrease during the nighttime hours tonight, as we will see a lingering chance for a few scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder during your Friday, but not too concerned about any severe weather Friday, as that risk looking higher to our south and east. I mentioned the optimistic picture. You can see the HRRR showing all of the ArkLaTex seeing less than an inch, with the heaviest totals of over 5 inches closer to the coast of Texas and Louisiana. Weather Prediction Center does still have the possibility for 2 to 3 inches over the southern edge of the area, but most of the ArkLaTex in line to see amounts right around an inch. I would agree pretty much with this based on what's on the radar right now and the fact that we do have some heavy rain, which is going to be moving across the southern edge of the area here during the course of the next couple of hours. Now, longer range, we're going to settle into a drier weather pattern, I should say. Robin's telling you the Futurecast shows the rain decreasing tonight. You can see that possibility for the scattered shower or thunderstorm tomorrow, especially over the southeast edge of the area. Curiously, this model does show some lingering rainfall chances during the day on Saturday, but I think for the most part, Saturday we will see a mix of clouds and sunshine. If we see any rain Saturday, it's going to be very, very early, and then we'll begin a streak of relatively dry weather that will last through most of next week. You can see what's going to take shape here is that we'll see upper level high pressure build over Mexico. How far north this ridge extends really will play a big role in whether or not we'll see any rain next week. This model does show a chance at some point during the middle part of the week. Other models kind of coming in line with that as well. So maybe Tuesday night, Wednesday night, a few isolated to maybe scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible. And then we should dry out as we head towards the Memorial Day weekend. So your forecast for tonight is looking wet, as we'll see the showers and thunderstorms. Heaviest rain this evening, heaviest extreme south, and that rain will likely begin to taper off after midnight tonight. Lows will be in the low to middle 60s. Tomorrow we're going to be looking at a mostly cloudy sky. Again, a possibility for that scattered thunderstorm, especially over the southeast part of the area, as highs tomorrow will be in the 80s. Longer range forecasts looking hot, as temperatures next week will be in the 90s, lows in the 70s, with a little bit of rain possible during the middle part of the week.